Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the characteristic equation from state equation. Now we know characteristic equation from a transfer function is 1 plus GSHS equal to 0. Here the characteristic equation we can write it as determinant of Si minus A equal to 0. Okay. So the characteristic equation from the state equation will be determinant of Si minus A. That means if A matrix is given, that is the system matrix, you can able to get the characteristic equation, and as you know from characteristic equation you can able to get the closed loop pole. So here also from the characteristic equation, after getting the characteristic equation you can able to get the poles. So just take an example. I have a system where x dot is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, and the B matrix is 1, 1, U. I am not writing the Y matrix output equation because to get the characteristic equation we only need this A matrix. So as it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, we have to take a identity matrix which is also 2 cross 2. If this A matrix is 3 cross 3, we have to take identity matrix which will be 3 cross 3. Now as this is 2 cross 2, so my identity matrix I will be 1, 0, 0, 1. In identity matrix the diagonal elements should be present. So therefore Si minus A, this matrix will be S, 0, S minus A means minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. So the matrix is becoming S plus 3, plus 2, plus 1 and S plus 2. So what is the determinant of this equation? This matrix will be our characteristic equation. So determinant of Si minus A, this will be S plus 3 into S plus 2 minus 2. Okay, so it will be S square plus 5S, 3 to the 6 and 3 plus 2, okay, 5S minus 6, plus 6 minus 2. So it will be S square plus 5S plus 4. So our characteristic equation is this. So characteristic equation will be S square plus 5S plus 4 will be equal to 0. So from this characteristic equation we can get the pole. So factorize it. If we factorize it, it will be S plus S square plus S plus 4S plus 4. Therefore it will be S into S plus 1 plus 4 into S plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore the poles will be S plus 1 into S plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore poles will be 2 poles. One is S equal to minus 1 and another is S equal to minus 4. This will be 2 poles of this system. So in this way, if the A matrix is given, we can able to get the characteristic equation as well as poles of the system. Thank you.